Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today we're going to talk about that crypto is exploding, it's pumping like crazy. And if you are unfortunately not in at least one trade right now, hopefully you're in many trades, then I will also show you how you can find the next entry point so that you don't miss out on these huge opportunities lying in front of us. So let me show you guys. I have here 8 trades open over on Bitget. And if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available sign-up bonuses. Let me show you guys. It's also important that you follow me over here on X, because you can see here my trade here, my legendary Ethereum trade is 5,792% in the plus. And I also announced other trades here. For example, you can see here Dogecoin trade 450% in the plus. That's why it's also important that you follow me over here on X, guys. Yeah, because I show sometimes some trade setups and some nice entry points. Okay, so let's talk about what's going on here. I talked about this in my last videos. This line is our support line. Yeah, and as long as the price of Bitcoin stays above this line, we look very, very bullish. Yeah, and as you can see here, at the moment we are quite far away from this line, so we could possibly even see a smaller correction going down here. Down to even, let's say, yeah, almost 99k. But of course, there are many support levels below this, guys. And if you really want to be part of the community and get also some really real-time updates when to enter a trade, check out cryptodealers.com. You get everything you need to become a great trader. Okay, so let's talk about what else we can expect here, because as you can see, a Bitcoin, yeah, we have here a huge order block, yeah, at around, yeah, going up to 1,000, let's say 105.7k, yeah, and then the volume diminishes, yeah. That means when Bitcoin is able to break above this level here, then it looks very, very bullish that we could even reach prices above the all-time high, because the volume diminishes. As you can see, it gets lower and lower and lower. So this is there are many buy and sell orders here, so we have to really break above this, and then the way to the all-time high is open, so to say. We also have to have a look, guys, yeah, at the liquidation heat map, because at the moment it doesn't really show us too much, I would say. Yeah, there's not too much going on, because at the moment it's really yeah, we had some volume here, but at the moment, yeah, there's some volume building up here, but nothing significant. Okay, let's also talk about the ETFs. Yeah, they bought some Bitcoins. I mean, the volume went down the last days, but still good. And let me now show you how you can enter a trade, how you can find an entry point. So, for example, after a pump, yeah, after a pump, there is usually a consolidation phase, because the market doesn't go up in a straight line, it goes up like in waves, so to say. So what you have to do, if there's a consolidation phase going on, okay, you draw a line, this is your resistance, okay? And once the price breaks this resistance, you can enter a long trade, and you put your stop loss below the swing low. So in this case, this is AVAX, you would have entered the trade here, your stop loss is down here, and then you would have made a nice profit. So as of right now, as you can see here, it's consolidating again. So you draw a line as the resistance, and once we break the line, you can enter a trade, guys, okay? Basically, this is how it works with any coin. Yeah, you can apply this principle to every single coin, and it usually always works, guys. So let's also talk about Ethereum, because as you can see here, we have this huge pump, and I hope, guys, you really also took the trade. The thing is, we are running into huge volume blocks starting at around $2,680 up to $2,760. Yeah. So this will not be so easy to break, because there is a huge order, I mean a huge volume block with many buy and sell orders here. So I think that we get a small, at least, correction phase, or let's say consolidation or sideways movement phase here. But we have still some room to the upside until we reach this here. Once we would be able to break above this, the volume diminishes, and then the next price targets would be here at almost $3,000, guys. Okay, so that's what's going on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.